Throughout my college career, I was able to have an internship with U.S. Engineering, one with ME Engineers and another with the City of Manhattan. For ME Engineers, I was located outside Denver, Colorado, and I was a technology intern, so I helped design the technology systems in sports stadiums throughout the United States. I had the opportunity to work on professional basketball and hockey stadiums located in St. Louis, Seattle, and New York.
I've had 2 internship experiences. I worked at Chevron Phillips Chemical this past summer in Houston, Texas. And then I worked at Cargill back in Dodge City. When I worked at Chevron Phillips Chemical, a lot of the things that the projects I had were very hands-on. And I was very fortunate to work at the actual facility. So I learned a lot about the industry itself, and a lot of my projects were very worthwhile.
I interned with Ingenious Design in Prairie Village, Kansas. At Ingenious, I did a lot of verification testing as well as some risk factor management kind of stuff. I did a little bit of work on an ignition interlock device testing, which is that thing that you blow into if you have a DUI and they need you to take a test before you start your car. I also did some work on a device that's an external female catheter, which will be used in mostly home and hospice settings.
My second internship was with BHC Roads, and I did road rechannelization for them and also hydrology work. At BHC Roads, I was on the public works team, got to see a whole different variety of projects. So I got to work on road rechannelization for downtown Kansas City, basically figuring out how to make the existing streets more pedestrian friendly.
I definitely encourage students to pursue internships for the opportunity to see what the internship experience looks like. What does it look like working for a company? What does it look like in a position? And having that opportunity to develop those skills as well as to have some personal reflection on where you might be headed and to take that time to really learn about the opportunities and the career paths that are available to you.
Internships aren't exactly the movie version of them. You're not getting coffee, you do get to work on meaningful projects and things like that. There's a level of trust with these companies. They trust your education with your K-State engineering degree, and then they also trust that you're going to do a good job for them and really provide them with a good product.